Welcome back, guys. Crypto channel. Today we'll talk about Aave targets updates with my customer set. Let's dive in, guys. I want to double check just a local, let's say not local, just middle term targets for Aave. And yes, I believe this token can hit new all-time high. This the same like AVAX. Today I shared the video. This one of not so many tokens, which I truly believe will hit the new all-time high this run. So you remember the main targets what I shared with you here. This was a all-time high, May 2021, 27 block accumulation. It was a great time for accumulation between $18 and $35. And we hit 38 level by fee, let it back, and now bounce it, and the road is open to yearly open. So it's a $309. It's a test of yearly open. With the body candle or with the wick, it's hard to say. But sooner or later, we're going to test the yearly open. After that, next step is 419. This is the first two main trouble area, because at these blocks, we can see the celebration, right? New all-time high. It can be around $975. From these current prices, it's not a big deal, only 267%. And this is going to be around 2,000% gains. And end of cycle of this for this token. Yes, it's more than real. So not all tokens hit like crazy 5,000%, like 10,000%, and all of this stuff. So this is a local targets, what I'm waiting for Aave on the weekly. Yearly open 419. And after that, we can start talking about maybe the structure, the uptrend structure. Capitulation for the summer, because guys, never say never. Why? Why never say never? Because take a look. We dump last time, December 2024 till April 2025, we dump it 70%. If we will drop and reject from yearly open, right? We can drop again to 27 block one more time. Here, drop, not break the structure, because to break the structure, continue the uptrend move, we need to break the $400. If we reject at yearly open, the same drop can be easily to 27 block again to grab all of this liquidity. What we'll leave it here in zone 24, this one. So a lot of, imagine how many stop losses under this level. So yes, guys, it's more than real to see in the next 3 months, for example, summer, if the summer will be a red one. I truly believe, of course, it can be the green one, but nobody knows. So take a look. This is 112 days. Let's say next week, we're going to hit this yearly open test. So by middle of September, we can drop again if the history repeat. So unfortunately, guys, and we can sweep it $65. So it's about the negative case scenario, because the zone's absolutely relevant. So if you skip it, for example, Aave, and now wait some pullback and wait the good entries, this is it. So 27 block, usually it's a good entry for Aave. And if you, of course, now more optimistic for this token, you can buy now, wait the 266, so around 561 you can withdraw initial deposit and wait the new all-time high. But of course, guys, it's just my personal opinion, but this is a local one targets. I want to show you the global chart, guys, and this is what are people waiting for from every altcoin. Here, this is how the craziness and the madness looks like. So here, 40 cents, 35 cents, 32 cents in August 19. After that, like $1, $2, 60 cents, 65, 73. So take a look at the candles. It's a weekly time frame, by the way, guys. So the Aave is not a brand new one token. It's since December 17, right? And this is what people waiting, right? From every single altcoin this run. And take a look in average, let's say 49 cents. Yes, it was madness. So of course, this is what people are looking for from this cycle, like 20k, 100k percent gains. But guys, this is not Zone 21, not a Aave dump. So let's be real. Let's more be realistic with the targets, with the expectations. And Aave now so heavy, we can't easily put the price so high, right? Because we want to see this one. This is the early stage when nobody care about the Aave. And we need to see, we need to take a look at some brand new fresh tokens, which lay down in the bottom with a great supply, with a great metrics, market capitalization, and the potential. But yes, guys, you have to be real, and ready. So this time, a lot of altcoins will not even hit, not even close price target around the all-time high. So that's it. The same story on this target, absolutely early open and new all-time high. It's possible to see, but guys, keep in mind. So yes. This was a crazy story. Maybe, we can't know, maybe somebody from that guys still hold some amount of Aave. We can't know. Maybe some funds, because they need just a time to distribute it back. That's why it's hard to say. I want to take a look with my customer said, guys. Aave, ADZ, I can't show it because it's a ticker from the exchanges. What is good or what is bad, guys? Definitely, this is not a time now to out of the Aave. Time to out was here, and here. So this is how the whales distribute their bags on a weekly. Now I wish to see the new all-time high, and again, time to distribution. On a weekly, now market mode, it's we trade here in disbelief, bounce it here. So you could fix initial deposit now. This is a optimistic zone. Also not a trill, not a area, right? Take a look the trade on. How it play now history here. Distribution, last sell, buyback, bounces. Recently we saw the sell, drop, buyback, bounce, buyback, bounce. The trouble areas, the fixation of the bounce, still the same. We can easily, guys, dump one more time to 27 block, what I showed recently. Globally, yes, I truly believe in all-time high. Take profit and money power. So let's check the money power. What I like and what I don't like, guys. I don't like, we don't see any good money inflow into Aave. So here, the last one was in December 2022. It's giving me some thoughts, right? So maybe somebody really from these times still step by step distribute the bags even that at $100, because imagine you accumulate some supply, some emission, right? Long-term period, like 18 till 20, so 2 years, you accumulate a token in average price like $1, and just hold and spread it between the different wallets, because the people always trying to find some whales, who hold a big emission. Guys, it's gonna be the one person or the team who just send the tokens between the 100 wallets, and this is the same person or the team, and they needed time just to distribute the tokens even at $100, at 153 here, 395, and now at least now we don't see the crazy money outflow. So it's good. That's why, yes, I believe in new all-time high, but guys, take a look. I showed you 965 from this current prices. It's like less than $300. So if you believe in that token, and if it's okay for you, risk reward, you can accumulate. I skip it. It's not a time now for me personally. Accumulate Aave. Accumulation was a 27 block. If Aave dump it back again, reject and dump it back to the buy line, $95 or 72, maybe I will buy some amount of Aave. And take daily take profit indicator here. Most likely we will test the yearly open, and after that we have to track, or we reject by end of this month or not. If we reject and going down, You can be sure we're going to test the monthly open 165 and 122, and for my value like $91. 12 time frame here, 125, it's a buy line. For my value is 92. So globally, of course, guys, like conclusion, I believe in new all-time high. When? Hard to say by timing. It can be this autumn, it can be this summer, it can be the spring of 2026. But the accumulation zone is still the same. It's 27 block. And the zones, targets, even with the price targets clear, I shared with you in this video. So now all eyes on 310, 309, 310. Guys, if you would like to trade with my customer, because what I showed in this video, just write me a DM. Don't forget, join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.